What exactly is Yahoo Finance? How do you use it? And is its premium even worth it? In this video, I'll break it all down and show you how to get the most value out of this free tool. Yahoo Finance is basically a one-stop shop for real-time stock data, financial news, and investing tools. You can look up stock prices, read company profiles, check out charts, and even follow crypto or penny stocks. It also shows you the latest market movers, earnings calendars, economic data, and it's all free. You don't even need an account to use most of the features. Just type in a stock ticker like AAPL for Apple or TSLA for Tesla, and you're in. Let's say you search for Apple on Yahoo Finance. Here's what you'll see. At the top, the current stock price, daily high and low, 52-week range, and market cap. Scroll down, and you'll get charts, financials, news articles, and what analysts are saying. Quick tip. If you're wondering how much a company is worth, check market cap, which is right near the price. If it says 2.8T, that means Apple is worth $2.8 trillion on the stock market. If even now you need more data, there's a tab called Statistics, super useful to check earnings, profit margins, and other important stuff. Now for the options traders out there, click on the Options tab, and you'll see a chain of contracts, calls and puts listed by expiration date. It might look confusing at first, but here's what to focus on. Look at the strike price, volume, and open interest. That tells you how active the contract is. Use filters to switch between weekly or monthly options. It's not as advanced as paid platforms like Thinkorswim, but for beginners, it's more than enough. Okay, so what's the deal with Yahoo Finance Premium? It's a paid upgrade that gives you deeper data. Things like advanced charting, fair value analysis, investment ideas, and even portfolio tracking tools. Is it worth it? If you're a serious investor or active trader, then maybe. But if you're just starting out, I'd say stick with the free version first. You can always upgrade later if you need more insights. Yahoo Finance also keeps up with breaking news. They also highlight trending topics like crypto, penny stocks, and market volatility. You can catch live streams on Yahoo Finance Live, where experts break down what's happening in the markets in real time. That's it for this video. Let me know in the comments if you want me to cover more topics on Yahoo Finance.